Hi guys, welcome to Nell's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make Asian macaron with a twist. Okay, so you will need 200 grams of coconut powder, shredded coconut, quarter cup of sugar, 1 can of condensed milk, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and half a cup of butter. I'm going to put also 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm going to start my mixture right now. So guys, this recipe is very easy to make. We have all that ingredients in our kitchen, so which makes it easy to do at home. So I put my butter here, then I will add my sugar to my butter. Then I will mix them together. Okay, well, don't spill. Okay. You can use a spatula to mix it, but I'm just using a small hand blender to mix it together. Okay. So now the sugar and the butter is added and mixed up. Then I will add my eggs, one after the other. One. Okay, then I will add my other eggs. Okay. Now I'll mix everything together, make sure everything is combined. Okay, I will add my cinnamon. Now my vanilla extract. Now I will leave the flour. I'll add my coconut. Before. Add some coconut. I'll mix that together. I'll add the milk. Mix everything. So you don't really have to use the flour if you don't have to. Like if the mixture is very liquidy, then you could use the flour, but if it's not liquidy, you don't need to put the flour in it. So today I am not going to add the flour to it because I find the contents is okay. So I just have to mix that together. And that's it. That's all it takes to make your cheese macaroon, I call it. That is my own recipe, cheese macaroon. So after I put it in my little cups, as you see, I bought the smallest size lining for the pan, so I will put them in it, and after I'm done filling them, I will spread a little bit of my cheese over it, and we'll see how that turns out. So you have to mix in order for the coconut to soak into the mixture of the other stuff. You want it to combine properly to have a very nice flavor at the end. So I think that's fine. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to use a small scoop, and then I'm going to transfer it into this pan here. Okay, I think this is even a little bit too big. I don't want it to spill, so maybe I'll use a spoon. That spoon. Small portions. The best thing when you're going to bake something, you get all the ingredients ready. So it will be very easy to just combine everything together. So meanwhile I'm doing that, I'm going to set my oven to 350 degrees so it can heat up. No, actually, yeah, 450. Timothy, get away, please. Okay, so I have this here. So I have some left over, so I will just put it. I'm not throwing anything away, so I will add it to this pan here. So if you're at home and you feel like making a little snack for your kids, for if you have visitors and so on that come in to your home, it's a nice thing to do. You could just whip this up quickly to serve. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's it. So what I'm going to do right now, I'll take some of my mixed cheese. You could use any cheese, okay, and I'll just sprinkle over it. don't have to put too much cheese, just a little cheese to give it a nice color. Okay, so that's it. As you see, I did not add my flour because the mixture was just fine. I didn't want it too liquidy, so I just left the flour out, or I didn't want it too thick. So this is just perfect, no flour. So I'm just waiting on my oven to get to the right temperature. Once this is done, I will add it in here. So guys, I promise you all I will post a video every weekend, and that's what I'm trying to do. I know I have the hummus to do. I have all the ingredients to do the hummus, but I just cannot find the time as yet to do the hummus. As you can see, I have my chickpeas ready to make my hummus, but I will do it one day. Could be next weekend or sometime in the week. I'll make the hummus, because I promise you guys I will make the hummus. So I will make the hummus. So guys, okay, I'm going to be putting this in the oven, and it will be, I'll leave it in the oven for 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. Whoa. I'm going to set my timer for 20 minutes, and I'll get back to you after 20 minutes to show you the outcome of my macaroons. Hi guys, so after 20 minutes, let's see how it looks. Whoa, this is the color we want to see. Very nice, lovely. So guys, this is easy to do at home. It's very, very easy. So you will try it and let me know what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And next week, I'll get back with you with another video. Thank you and peace out.